What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to locate and replace your cabin filter in your 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. It's going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to need to work on this door. We're going to have to get it out of our way. First thing we're going to want to do is remove the damper cord that's right here on the side, okay? And this dampens the glove box when it opens. We're just going to grab it and we're going to pull it out a little bit and feed it back through the hole that's right here. Okay, and that will disconnect it. All right. Now there are these stoppers that are on the sides of the glove box. We're gonna need to remove these. Sides here, there are the glove box stoppers. There's one on that side, one on that side. We're gonna push the glove box in a little bit and take these out, okay? Just come out like that. Not too terribly difficult. Take them on this side, push it in, and then remove it. Okay. And once we do that, the glove box will actually come down. The filter is located right here in this compartment here. When the cars are new, there are Phillips screws right here and right here. This car is not new anymore, so they're already gone. To open the door, we're just going to push this tab that way, this tab this way. There's one in the center that's kind of hard to get to that we're going to have to unclip. Okay, you can hear it unclip there. Unclip on this side here. Okay, and then the door will come down. Here's the cabin filter, and it's labeled with the airflow going down. So when you get your new filter, just take note of that. I'm gonna grab it, pull it. This one should be pretty. This one's actually really good shape. It's been serviced not too long ago. But if you need one, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box for you to check out. It takes you to Amazon. They'll get you one of these filters. We're not gonna replace this one. This one doesn't need to be replaced. But when you get your new one, just reinstall it just like you took it out. We got a little trouble with one hand here. All right, there we go. Slide it back in there and lock all the tabs. Okay, and then reinstall the glove box. The glove box will come off its hinges. It's just plastic hinges. Just gonna stick it right back on there. Okay, so what you're going to want to do now, before you put the stoppers back in, you're going to want to grab the damper cord. It's just hanging out right here. And keep it in your hand. Go ahead and pull it. Just keep it in your hand. And go ahead and thread it back through the hole on the side here. Once you get it reattached, alright, so once you get it reattached, then you can reinstall the glove box stoppers. So once you get that last stopper in, you're good to go. You can close up the glove box and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.